Polish silverware with toothpaste. Polish silverware with toothpaste. Clean almost anything including keyboards with nail polish remover. Clean almost anything including keyboards with nail polish remover. Tame brows with lip balm. Balm, 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 balm. Tame brows with lip balm. Balm, 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 Press clothes with a hair flat iron. Press clothes with a hair flat iron. Before wearing new shoes, swipe deodorant on your feet. Before wearing new shoes, swipe deodorant on your feet. Stop or run in tights with clear nail polish. Get rid of pilling with a disposable razor. Use Vaseline as a perfume primer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.